Hey guys, I look a mess, but it's only because I am cleaning my room and a couple of places around the house. I'm just doing a monthly reset just to make sure like my space is clean. And yeah, I actually read a couple of times that living in a messy space can actually affect your anxiety and your depression and all that. So I'm just doing a monthly reset. I also want to give away some of my clothes that I don't use. So I thought it's the perfect time to do this. We went out on a date last night. So like my makeup is all over the place. My clothes are all over the place. Because when I'm getting dressed, I mess up the entire place. So I'm not going to be looking cute. I'm just cleaning. So welcome to my monthly reset, and please clean with me. This is currently the mess, but yeah, we're gonna get that sorted out. closet. It's such a mess right now. This is where I keep my work clothes. It's a mess. And then this is where I keep my jackets and bags. And yeah, just everything needs to be organized. And here as well. Currently 4 p.m. Guys, so this has taken all day. Well, I started around 12. Yeah, but wow, I'm still not done. I've done quite a lot of work though. Let me just show you. And I'm having wine now because it was Wine Wednesday. And yeah, please go check it out on Instagram if you like wine reviews. Yeah, this is currently my room. That's all the things that I'm giving away. And then these are all just things I'm throwing out. Look at what I was cleaning up. It's a mess again. And then, yeah, to fold everything. So I decided just to have this as like the folded cabinet instead of having it as work clothes and leisure or fun clothes or everyday clothes. So this is just everything. And then we organized my shoes kind of, and here I'm gonna put gowns. Here it was a whole lot of mess, but I just put all the jackets that were down here over there. It's gonna be a mission to get up there to get the jackets, but it's fine. And some of my bags. And then here organized all my gym clothes, my pants, my shirts, and my pajamas. And here it's just like bikinis and stuff. It's just really, really dark, so you can't see. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna use those two cabinets for. And here it's just all of the clothes that needed to be hung. Oh, let me turn on the flash. So here it's just all of the clothes that needed to be hung. And I haven't done these two. This is for my hair installs, and this is for Mandy Flora. I haven't touched it, but there's just for like my luggage stuff. I haven't touched it. I think I've done pretty well. we've done pretty well because Auntie was helping me, but let's just continue and I'll show you when everything's done. Ain't no home anymore.